wanted to use
really sure.
Were you surprised by the decision of the court? I know you'd mentioned that you were very nervous when you heard Kennedy and the like.
Yeah, actually, as a Christian, I shouldn't be anxious about anything, but I'm human. And Justice Kennedy always makes me a little nervous because it's very hard to follow where he's actually going. And sometimes you can think you're reading him one way on the bench, and in fact, he turns out to be thinking entirely opposite, maybe kind of playing a devil's advocate in his own way.
Yeah.
So I really wasn't sure, and I knew he's the fulcrum of the court, he's the bellwether, he's the decider, to use a hackneyed phrase, so it left me very concerned. But so if I was surprised today, I was delightfully surprised that he came down with such a good, positive, and affirming decision. I wasn't sure, even if he did uphold prayer in public legislative sessions, I wasn't sure how clear that would be. This is crystal clear.
All right. Okay, and last question, how influential do you believe this case will be on future possible legal battles along this vein of prayer and on public property or during government meetings?
Well, I'll say, to begin with, I'm not a lawyer. I am a minister, but I have watched a lot of Supreme Court cases, and I have fought my own here successfully. So I would say from reading the opinion, this is going to give very clear guidance in the future, and it's going to frustrate a lot of people who will attempt to get prayer at legislative sessions or any kind of public gathering shut down again. I think this nails the lid of the coffin on any of those attempts. So I would say this is probably as close to a final answer as the court can give.